Annyeong! So we tried Fu Tang. I hope I'm saying that correctly. The best part, everything gets prepared in front of you. Oh, si Kuya for the roll. At ayan na yung boba. Palo-palo, pa. Kaya mo na yan, Kia. Pagod pala to sa braso de Mercedes. Kawawa naman si Kia para lang sa mga bola-bola. Anyway, while waiting, let's check our luck. So you have to pick a stick. Meron siyang corresponding number. Then from there, bubunot ko lang sa may wagang cabinet. And tada! May mga levels siya. Yung average luck, very lucky. Charing.
Ay, meron pala mga ganun, no? Average luck.
Miracle. Miracles sometimes occur, but you have to work terribly. Yung trabaho daw ako, galot daw akong bida.
Now na nalaman na natin na average lang yung luck ko. Charing. Let's get the orders! Yeah! Oh yeah! This is ours. Mahaba yung pila pa mabilis yung service. So we got ours! Cheers! And of course, 1,000,000 picture at video na bago tikman. O ayan, isa pa si ako. Ayan pa pala, isa pa. Oh, mga Swiss madam pa! Finally, tikman na natin. Charap! Okay, here's an honest review. It was good. Reason? Because mainit-init pa talaga yung boba. Sobrang sarap ng boba. Yung boba yung nagdala. Parang kalahati ng basong yan, puro boba. So, ikaw na lang yung magsasawa, mapagod sa kakanguya, kakalunok. Parang first time ko na mainit-init pa yung boba ng sobra, yung as in super fresh, bagong hango. The milk tea was also okay. Will I be going back for it? Definitely. Would I recommend it? Yes, I would. Binago niya ba yung mga pananaw ko sa buhay? Hindi pa naman masyado. So, yun lang. That's my honest review of Fu Tang. Annyeong!